In the modern kitchen, versatility and convenience are key to enjoying a seamless cooking experience. This Braun MQ7035 portable immersion hand blender stands out as a powerful, flexible, and intuitive tool designed to meet the needs of both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Whether you're blending smoothies, pureeing soups, whipping cream, or chopping vegetables, this immersion blender promises to deliver exceptional results with minimal effort. This comprehensive review will dive into the features, benefits, and unique technologies that make the Braun Immersion Hand Blender a must-have for anyone serious about their kitchen tools. The Braun Immersion Hand Blender is not just another immersion blender. It's a culmination of innovative technologies and thoughtful design, aimed at providing users with a superior blending experience. At the heart of this device is a robust 500-watt motor, which powers through even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're dealing with hard nuts, fibrous vegetables, or frozen fruits, the Immersion Hand Blender can handle it all, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. But power alone isn't what makes this blender special. The real magic lies in its easy, smart speed technology. Unlike traditional blenders with predefined speed settings, the Immersion Hand Blender allows you to control the speed intuitively. The harder you squeeze the trigger, the more power you get. This single-hand operation makes it incredibly easy to achieve the exact texture you want, whether you're going for a coarse chop or a fine puree. One of the standout features of the Braun Immersion Hand Blender is its ACTIVEBlade technology. This is the world's first hand blender to incorporate a flexible shaft that moves the blade up and down, providing a 250% increase in active cutting surface compared to traditional blenders. This motion allows the blender to easily tackle tough ingredients, breaking them down more efficiently and producing finer, smoother results. Whether you're blending chunky vegetables into a velvety soup or making a smooth hummus, the ACTIVEBlade ensures that you get a perfectly even texture with minimal effort. This technology is especially beneficial for those who regularly prepare baby food, as it guarantees a lump-free consistency that is safe and enjoyable for little ones. Another innovative feature of the Braun Immersion Hand Blender is the PowerBell Plus system. This system combines ultra-hard stainless steel blades with an added milling blade to provide more slices per rotation, which makes blending large pieces and hard ingredients easier than ever. The unique bell-shaped design of the PowerBell also reduces suction, making it easier to move the blender around the pot or bowl without it getting stuck. This design not only enhances blending efficiency, but also reduces splashing, thanks to Braun's advanced splash control technology. This means you can blend even the most liquid-heavy recipes without worrying about making a mess. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie in the morning or preparing a large batch of soup for dinner, the Immersion Hand Blender keeps your kitchen clean and your blending experience stress-free. The Braun Immersion Hand Blender isn't just a blender. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool designed to make food preparation as versatile as possible. It comes with a range of attachments that can be quickly and easily swapped out using Braun's EasyClick Plus system. This includes a blending wand, a whisk, and a 2-cup chopper, each of which serves a different purpose in the kitchen. 1. Blending wand. Perfect for making smoothies, purees, and soups directly in the pot or bowl. The wand's stainless steel construction ensures durability, while its design minimizes splashing. 2. Whisk. Ideal for whipping cream, beating eggs, or mixing batters. The whisk attachment turns the Immersion Hand Blender into a high-speed mixer, making light work of traditionally time-consuming tasks. 3. 2-cup chopper. A compact food processor that's perfect for chopping vegetables, nuts, and herbs. The chopper attachment is particularly useful for quickly prepping ingredients for meals or creating finely chopped toppings. This versatility makes the Braun Immersion Hand Blender a valuable tool for anyone who enjoys experimenting with different recipes and techniques in the kitchen. With just one device, you can blend, chop, whisk, mash, and puree your way to culinary success. Ease of use is another area where the Braun Immersion Hand Blender excels. The ergonomic design of the blender ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. The trigger-style power button is well placed, making it easy to control the speed with your thumb while keeping a firm hold on the blender. This design is especially appreciated by those who spend a lot of time in the kitchen, as it reduces hand fatigue and makes the blending process more enjoyable. When it comes to cleaning, Braun has made sure that the Immersion hand blender is as low maintenance as possible. The attachments are all dishwasher safe, so you can simply pop them in the dishwasher after use. The motor unit, which should never be submerged in water, can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. This easy cleanup process means you can spend more time enjoying your culinary creations and less time worrying about the mess. The Braun Immersion hand blender has earned high praise from culinary experts, including America's Test Kitchen, which highlights its comfortable grip and well-placed power button. This endorsement speaks volumes about the quality and performance of the Immersion hand blender, making it a trusted choice for those who want professional-grade results at home. If you're looking for a kitchen tool that combines power, precision, and versatility, the Braun Portable Immersion Hand Blender is an excellent choice. Its innovative technologies, such as the ACTIVEBlade and PowerBell Plus systems, ensure that you can tackle any blending task with ease. The intuitive speed control and range of attachments make it a valuable addition to any kitchen, whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef. The Immersion hand blender is particularly well suited for those who value convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. Its easy-to-use design and quick cleanup process make it a great option for busy individuals who want to prepare healthy, homemade meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Whether you're blending smoothies for breakfast, pureeing soups for lunch, or chopping vegetables for dinner, the Braun Immersion hand blender has the power and flexibility to meet all your culinary needs. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.